The INSPECVISION Planar is the world's fastest 2D measurement system designed for use primarily in the sheet metal industry. Parts are placed onto a backlit glass measuring surface, and a high-resolution camera catches up to 40 million edge measurement data points in 0.1 seconds. Designed for use on the factory floor, the Planar is not affected by dirt, dust, or scratches. It contains no moving parts, meaning recalibration is very simple and theoretically not required. Maintenance is minimal, and standard wear items are easily replaced at minimal cost. The measuring speed is so fast that it is completely unaffected by vibrations, making it perfect for factory floor use. It can quickly measure and inspect parts which have been fabricated on laser, plasma, waterjet, or punching machines. Planar is very operator-friendly. With the single click of a button or scan of a barcode, the system can automatically import the part's CAD file, measure the part, compare the measurements to the CAD, generate an inspection report using dimensions from the CAD file. Planar can be provided with fully integrated SPC software to provide traceability for your quality control process and inspection report history. It can even measure multiple components simultaneously. Planar can be used to measure almost any flat opaque material. Additionally, there is a built-in O-ring inspection suite. It can also be used for reverse engineering applications. Using the reverse engineering suite, the user can quickly fit geometric entities to the measurement data, and within a few seconds, the system produces a DXF, ready for exporting and saving. The Planar machine can even reverse engineer paper, acetate, and other materials, using our Print's 2DXF option. By adding the additional retrofittable OptiScan 3D module, the Planar can be upgraded to a full 3D measurement system. This allows you to check the quality of your parts and assemblies at every stage of the production process. The Planar system is an award-winning high-accuracy measurement machine that has been used and trusted since 2003 by manufacturers in over 30 countries around the world, from billion-dollar multinational corporations to small job shops. For speed, accuracy, and reliability, the Planar makes the perfect addition to the quality control process. For more information, please contact our sales team.